Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing an updated brow routine. So I kind of did like more steps, or just like maybe one more step in my brow routine, so I wanted to show you it today. Normally I would just use like a brow pencil and a brow powder, and that's it. I would go between the two, and now I wanted to, and then a brow gel. And then now I wanted to add just one more step to add a little bit more dimension to the brow. So I'm actually going to take off one of my brows, or remove the brow product on one of my brows, and we're doing it. And I'm just going to show you with one brow, and then I'll just show you the difference between the two. And kind of remove the makeup around the brow, but that's okay, we can clean it up later. So, but I'm going to just jump right in. I'm going to move my mirror a little bit closer to me, and I'm actually going to zoom you guys in. Okay, so I've been loving to use when I used to do my brows, I kind of stopped using this for a long time, and I kind of went back to it recently. Kind of like, I don't remember, like, started to use it back in, I don't know. But this is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. This one is in shade 2, and I love it. So what I like to do first is I like to just brush up the brow hairs first. And then I just basically start filling them in, but I only like to start by filling them in kind of at the base of the brow here, or the starting part of the brow, and then I just draw a line on the bottom of the brow, and then just fill it in like that. And then once I get to this part of the brow, I kind of just do like little flicking motions up here, and then I kind of like to round it at the tip to make it look like that 50s style brow. I did forget to get one, and then I use about 3 products actually when I do my brows. I totally forgot about that. Okay, now that that is filled in, I'm gonna go in and add a little bit more dimension to the brow. So I'm gonna take my NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen in Taupe, and I like to kind of fill in the brows with this a little bit more. If there's any like sparse areas, I feel like this gives a little bit more texture to the brow as well, and it looks a lot better when I do this. Okay, so all of the brow specific products are done for now. I'm going to take a concealer to carve out the brows. So sometimes I do this and other times I don't. I don't normally do this in the summer, but I'm just going to show it anyway because this is pretty much my everyday brow routine besides the summer. I don't do this full brow routine in the summer. So this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer in, I think this is light. I'm just going to take some of that on the back of my hand here. I'm going to take one of my favorite brushes. This is the Morphe and Ariel brush number A19. We're going to use kind of like the smaller brush side. I'm just going to start by carving out the bottom of the brow. Actually, this is kind of funny because I learned this technique from Ariel, and after I because I was kind of like researching these brushes, seeing if I liked them. I was watching a bunch of his tutorials on these brushes, and this is what I came across, this technique. And he only just does it on the bottom part of the brow, and usually he takes like the foundation that he's going to use. I take the rest of my concealer that I have on the back of my hand and just kind of carve out the top of the brow, and I blend in the bottom as well. And that is looking good. Okay, so this is with the concealer, this is without the concealer. And I just love how my brows turned out. I love the way it looks now. It's just amazing. Okay, next for a brow gel. I think I also used this a while ago when I started using Benefit products or brow products. This is the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. I really like this one. It's really nice. So I'm going to just apply this to the brows to set them. Kind of do go at a bit of an angle to kind of brush the brow hairs up, kind of get that like bushier brow effect. I do like to do my brows first when I do my makeup, so like when I use the gel, my foundation doesn't get all messed up. So that was my brow routine. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you in the next one. Bye!